Withdrawing funds from your YouTube account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully transfer your earnings to your bank account. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your YouTube earnings. Step 2. Access YouTube Studio. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your channel's dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to monetization. In the left-hand menu, find and click on monetization. Here, you can view your earnings and ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements for withdrawing funds. Step 4. Set up AdSense account. If you haven't already, link your YouTube account to an AdSense account. Follow the prompts to create or connect your AdSense account, as this is necessary for receiving payments. Step 5. Request payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds will be processed and transferred to your bank account according to the AdSense payment schedule. Make sure to check your account regularly for updates on your earnings and payment status.